Good afternoon, Namaskar. And really, I thank you that you are here in this meeting and you people are really interested to listen me. I'll not have more time from you. I'll just have a little bit time, like 2 to 3 minutes. My name is Lakshman Maharana. I'm the man of Berhampur. Today I have to speak something regarding the condition of the city because election is in our head, on our head. We are facing a lot of problems since our birth, as we have been experiencing and knowing the things since 1947. We do not see any kind of big changes and great changes in this city. Basically, my intention is to speak here and to make you address that. Have you seen any great changes in your city? What it was supposed to be? It's a region of business. It's a very ancient city of Odisha. But here, Berhampur is about to be smaller. It is not coming in the figure. People of Berhampur are in scarcity of water, traffic issues, construction issues, health, wealth, many issues, environmental issues. If I'll talk and start to speak, there will not be end. Leaders, they are coming, they are winning, they are leading, they are doing, but they are not doing any changes. Now you can see the leaders, what they are doing. To whom you are expecting, he is not in the expectation. They are changing day by day. What is the intention of them? Even public is in confusion. Is that? Yes. A leader should know what is his work, what is his duty. Of course, we are the voters. Berhampur people, you should be aware of their reality and think about the future. Those leaders are today with you. They may or may not be with you. How they will have the intention, right intention to work for your city and you. There should be a proper coordination. I don't feel and I don't get what is the intention of the leaders. What are they going to do or not? That is the problem. Basic thing, we have to know what the plan is made by them. Are they going to develop or not? Even they do not know what they are doing and what they will do is. I can assure you guys, leaders are shifting the parties. Party doesn't matter for us. Leaders matter. Whoever is willing to work for us, he is the leader. Which party, which thing, that is not a matter. That doesn't mean any kind of business, any concern to us. We want development. Let's find who is coming with the intention of work and development for your city and for you. You think about that and choose the person. Really? I have been facing and I have been thinking a lot of things. Today, that's the reason I came here and spoke to you and made this meeting. People are in mess. People are in confusion. People even do not understand what's happening. Awaiting and waiting for the development. No work is happening in proper time. No students having career. No businessman is getting any kind of transparent, any facilities to him. He is struggling. People are struggling for any work. Business people, normal people, common people, will they work for their bread and butter and they work for the society and they will work and walk behind and run behind the government work? Is this really social? No, it's not social. If you have chosen a leader, he should do all this work for you. You will be in anxiety, you will be struggling for the paperwork and document work and all these things. It's not justified. They should do it for you. You have to work for your family. Think about your earning. Think about your business and family. All people. I'm not talking about on business people. I do talk about students, youth, old age people, employees, service persons, everyone. It's a really deficiencies. If we will be continuing like this with these leaders in these deficiencies, we can't go ahead and there will not be any kind of development in the city. Think and do the right things. Reality is coming now. You all must be knowing the reality. Everything is pixelized and you have seen the clarity of the leaders. Do the necessity and find the person, choose the person. I believe Berhampur people are really very good people and really they are trustable people and very simple people. Thank you.